Anyway, let's go ahead and tear this tool down. The first thing is, I want to check it. I do know that this powder load has already been fired. I want to see. I'm going to leave it in there since it's an older tool to keep from damaging the firing pin, and I'm going to see if it works first off. A little spongy, but it does work. The indentation left by the firing pin is not nearly as deep as the one that was already in it. Take from that what you will. Let's start by removing the housing. Barrel first, small guard. This is a special order spall guard, extra weight, reduced spalling. Now I want to check and see if the safety cam is working. If it is working, I should not be able to pull the trigger with the spall guard removed. This is to keep somebody from air firing a tool. And it is working. That's good news. Start with the front housing. There's no putty in the screw. Either this was assembled before they started doing that, or it has been serviced at one point or another. And considering that the rubber is torn around it, I'd say it's probably been serviced. That's interesting. Older guards, usually that spring would be removed from the front. So, this is the safety cam right here. Grabs the barrel, keeps it from cocking. There we go. And this should fall out one way or the other. Okay, we'll start. We'll take that off. The bolt will stick in there. There's a little doohickey. Nice nickel housing here, that's good. Nickel or chrome. Much easier to clean. Now we want to be careful. We're popping out the sear and the cap and the spring. So there are 3 pieces. Oh no, there's no cap on that one. Sometimes there's a cap on there. This is an older tool, I guess. Spring fits in a pocket up the top. It'll fit in this counterbore there. The opening there is for the firing pin. And we should be able to line both of them up. There's probably enough oil in there already, but we will oil that up a little bit. I will drop a drop of oil inside here because if by chance moisture does get in there, there's nothing worse than that little sear stuck in that pocket. Well, obviously there are things that are worse. Okay, now. This nut is adjustable. You can run it down the threads and lock it in position. Where you want the ejector rod, this thing for the spent cartridges. So if I wanted it a little higher, a little lower, I could use that as an adjustment. Okay. Alright, we'll see if that works here in a minute. In general, I like to leave this buildup on a lot of the tools, simply because I would rather have a carbon buildup on some of them than rust. Obviously, it'd be a lot easier to use a wire brush on this, and also it'd be nice if that barrel nut came off. But at this point in time, it's really not necessary. So we'll just get a little bit of that stuff off of there, make it look like I know what I'm doing. Get a brush and brush out the internals. So now we're ready to test fire it and make it smoke, get that excess oil off the tool that I just put on it. And we'll do that in a second video. We'll see how it does.